Hi everybody, it's David Lee again. Anyways, this video is for me to show you how to make the cleansed teeth on the cleansing program, as well as introduce you to what my Parasite product called Clear looks like. They both come in capsules. This hasn't been opened yet. This is one that I'm already using. This is a new one. I don't want to open it just because, you know, I have to keep this just in case my next client needs it. But they all look like this, right? So they all are powdered herbs in a capsule that you can open up. So the Clear looks like this, but in the Parasite cleansing program, you're only going to be just swallowing 5 capsules with water. You're not opening it up, you're not making a tea. You wouldn't want to with this. It's very bitter, you can handle it. It's just too hard to take. So people just swallow it, okay? This is nice. This is mild. This tastes kind of like chamomile. It's very easy to handle. So now you can also swallow this, and sometimes I do only swallow, like, I'll take 4 to 5 capsules of this with water in the mornings before I go to work. But it always works a little bit better as a tea. So what I do is when I have time on the weekends, I'll make it as a tea. I only take this maybe every other day. Okay, every 2-3 days. So I've been taking this now for almost 20 years. So the longer you take it, you don't have to take as much. So anyways, so we're gonna open up. I've already half-boiled water in the kettle, so it's ready to go. You don't want boiling water because, as I said before, if it's too hot, you can kill the enzyme effect of the herbs. You can cook the herbs too much, and you don't want to do that. So I just open up. Right? Whatever you do, don't get your capsules wet. As long as they're dry, that powder is just going to fall out. Okay, so you just got to twist it open and just squeeze the capsule in a circular fashion like this, and the powdered herbs just fall out. Okay, very easy, not hard. Whatever you do, don't do this with wet hands, because once it's wet, it'll start dissolving the capsule, because I think the capsule is gelatin, and then it'll be really hard to work with. That's 1, 2, 3, and this is just 4. I'm just gonna do 4. I'm not gonna do 5. Sometimes I just do 4, depending on what my diet's been like. If I like today, maybe I should do 5. Today I had a cheat meal. I went to a diner with some friends, and I had brunch, and I had your omelet, greasy omelet kind of, you know, that had cheese in it, I think. And then I had, you know, whole wheat toast. It wasn't organic. I had some peanut butter, which was not organic peanut butter. I mean, you know, it wasn't at the level that I would like to see it at. So I'm gonna use 5 capsules. Half-boiled water. I put about 4 ounces of tea, 6 ounces roughly. Now, as I said before, you just throw out these capsules. Take a teaspoon and molasses. I add about half a teaspoon of molasses. It really makes it taste nice. Plus, molasses is an alkalinizing sugar. Okay, that's also why I get people to use this with the tea. You don't have to, some people don't, but that's something that I suggest. Okay, so that's the Parasite, the Clear cleanser. That's experience. That's the cleansing for cleansing the bowels, digestive tract. Basically, it cleanses the whole body. So it's more for cleansing, detoxifying, getting rid of mucoid plaque, buildup. This also breaks down gallstones, kidney stones as well. That's why I get people on this. And this is mainly for the Parasite cleansing, which you only do for a couple months, every so many years. So now, because molasses is thick, you want to stir it well, mix it in. And that's your cleansing tea, folks. Okay? All right. Take care.